Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to make a screenshot on this device. So first of all, let's open something we will catch. In my case, it will be settings, for example. And the first option to make a screenshot is simply to hold the power button and hold the volume down button together at the same time. So let me do this, volume down button and power button together. And as you can see, here we've got our screenshot. You can either edit it or share. So this is the first option to make a screenshot. And the second is quite easier, I would say. It's simply to hold the power button until you'll see this bar. Here we've got the screenshot, so simply click on it. And as you can see, the device just made a screenshot. To find it, simply go to the photos, to the album screenshots, and here we've got the screenshots that we just made. So that's all. This is how you make a screenshot in your Motorola Edge, and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, simply click the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.